first thing you're gonna do when you get your windshield from SuperATV is take it out of the box, and then you're gonna wanna lay it up on the machine to make sure that it fits. So we have our top portion here. We're gonna make sure that the angled portion of the windshield is going towards the machine. You're gonna wanna slide it behind the 2 bolts on the cage. It's just gonna lay up here just like that, and it looks like it's gonna fit good. So we're gonna grab our lower portion. And again, slide it in between the 2 bolts. You may have to angle it downwards like this. It's just gonna sit right here. Looks like that's gonna fit good too. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the protective film. You'll wanna peel the protective film off of both sides on both of the windshields. So we have our lower portion of the windshield here. We're gonna take our seal and apply it only to the lower portion all the way across the bottom here. The lower portion is gonna be the side that doesn't have the holes. Start applying our seal. You want to make sure that you apply ample amounts of pressure. That way the seal fully seats. Once you have the seal fully seated, you can take your side cuts or something to cut with and cut off the excess right here on the corner. And there may be a metal band in the seal. If there is, you'll just want to pull that out and then continue cutting. Next, we're going to install our bulb seal to the sides of our lower windshield. You're going to make sure that you install the seal side of the bulb seal facing towards the curved portion of the windshield or the side that's raised. Start it right here at the bottom, as far down as you can get it. And then run it only to right here in the curved portion where it starts to angle up towards the holes. You're going to want to go ahead and make a cut. We're going to place our bulb seal in the same exact spot on the opposite side. Make sure that you fully seat the bulb seal and make another cut. And again, go back through, make sure the seal is fully seated. Then we're going to sit our lower portion of the windshield aside. We're going to grab the upper portion. So we have our upper windshield here. We're going to make sure that the seal portion of the bulb seal is facing inward or towards the side with the curve. So the seal will be laying on this side, facing towards the machine. Install the bulb seal starting here, working our way all the way down to here. Once your bulb seal is fully seated, you want to come right to this point here and make a cut. And we're going to do the exact same thing for the opposite side. We're going to go ahead and cut off the excess. And now we're ready to install the lower portion of the windshield. Grab your lower windshield and 2 heavy-duty straps, and we're ready to install the lower portion of the windshield on the machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to angle it onto one side, slide the windshield down in the gap here. Make sure you have it even on both sides. We're going to go ahead and take our straps and install them, but we're not going to tighten them yet. We're just going to loosely strap them onto the cage. Same thing on the opposite side. Now we're going to grab the upper portion of the windshield and get it installed as well. You'll have to get it started on one side, then come to the opposite side. Follow the channel in the cage. Then you're going to want to slide it down into position. Want to get it to where the top of the bulb seal fits right here on either side. Then you're going to take your Velcro straps and lightly tighten them to hold it in place. We'll do this for both sides. Make sure that both sides are pulled all the way up to the top. And also another thing, you want to make sure that there's an even distance on either side so that it fits flush in the cage on the passenger side and the driver's side. So it looks like we got it pretty well even on both sides. Now we're going to loosen the straps on the lower portion of the windshield and lift it up to where the holes line up. And we're going to take our provided hardware in the kit and install it to attach the two windshields together. I'm going to take your M6 bolt and your sealing washer. Make sure that the seal portion of the washer is facing towards the windshield. Then a lock nut and slide the windshield into place. Start a nut. You want to go through and do this for each of the holes on the windshield. Once you have all your hardware started, you're going to want to go ahead and fully tighten all the bolts securing the two windshields together. Once you have the two windshields coupled together, you're going to want to go through, make any last minute adjustments you may need, and then you'll want to go through, tighten down your straps. This time you will want to fully tighten them. We're done. And that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's rear windshield on this Can-Am Maverick Trail. For more information on this rear windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.